If you're looking for a quick and honest Hoop AI review, you're in the right place. Because what I'm about to show you could completely shift how you handle content, marketing, and customer engagement. There are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this brand new AI tool, and trust me, point number 6 is what really sets it apart from everything else. You can try Hoop AI completely free using the first link in the description below, but let's unpack what makes this one stand out, and what you need to look out for before using it in your workflow. Hoop AI was just released, but it's already making waves in digital marketing circles for one big reason. It's not just a writing assistant, it's an execution engine. Most AI tools stop at giving you ideas. Hoop goes way further. It doesn't just suggest, it implements. Think sales pages, email sequences, full-blown landing pages, done for you with minimal input. What makes Hoop AI different is its persona builder tech. You can create tailored AI personas, like a growth marketer, copywriter, or ad specialist, and assign them to specific projects. That means you're not getting generic answers. You're getting expert-level strategy responses depending on what your project actually needs. It's like having a team of niche experts inside one dashboard. Now here's what's wild. Hoop AI integrates directly with your CRM, Google Sheets, and even Zapier. That's where automation kicks in. Instead of just getting content ideas, you're triggering workflows. One command can generate a high-converting email, sync it to your mailing list, and even A/B test subject lines, all from one place. And yes, it's surprisingly intuitive. I've personally used thousands of AI tools. This one is built different. Most tools give you fluff or long-winded answers. Hoop AI focuses on brevity, conversion, and outcomes. You tell it your goal, leads, sales, signups, and it reverse engineers what to build. It's goal-based, not prompt-based, which saves a ton of time. The collaboration features are also on point. You can invite your team or clients into projects without overwhelming them. The dashboard is clean, and everything is built to move fast, whether you're launching a product, running ads, or building a funnel. One thing you should know before jumping in, there is a learning curve if you're used to basic AI chat tools. This isn't plug and play in the usual sense, but that's a good thing. Hoop AI is designed for creators and marketers who want more control and better results. Stick with it, and it pays off. If you're serious about streamlining content, automating funnels, or scaling campaigns, Hoop AI might be the best just released AI software you try this year. The free version is generous, and you can start testing it right now from the first link below. Before you go, don't forget, I've tested thousands of AI tools across copywriting, video, automation, and SEO. I've linked my top recommended free AI tools in the description, including the ones I actually use daily. Try them, stack them, and start creating better, faster. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use Hoop AI.